Week 7 of distance learning. If you are on my main page or my home page right here, do not just come over here and click on assignments. You will be missing a lot of important information if you do that. To find my assignments, you scroll down and find the calendar with the week that you're looking for. And this time we're talking about week 7. Now I also moved my calculator resource page up to the top right there because I realized a lot of people had not seen it still. There are some calculators that you can download to your phones, iPhone or Android. There's also a calculator that you can download to your computer. And I'm also aware that those downloads are not really working for some people, so here are some other options. These are some calculators that you can use online and some tutorial videos that explain to you how to use them. Okay. So for week 7, here's our lesson plan. This video is what I'm recording right now. Task number 1 says, watch the notes video over exponential growth and decay. You can take the notes on your own, or you may use my uploaded notes. So you're going to watch this video. It's only 6 minutes long. We are not taking a grade on the notes, but I did put a blank copy in case you like to take the notes while the video is going on. If you don't, then just watch the video and use my filled-in notes later. Now, task number 2 is optional, which means you do not have to do it. But if you do, you will receive extra credit. It is a 10-question worksheet, and for each question that you get correct, I will enter 1 point or add 1 point to your test grade. Okay. So if you do this worksheet, you need to enter your answers here for extra credit, and I'm going to show you what this will look like if you enter them. Let me leave student view so that you can see this. Okay. So I'm going to come over here and say my answer for A is, let's say, 1409. So I intentionally put 1 right answer and 1 wrong answer because I want to show you what that will look like. Okay. Right up here, it says that we have partial credit. They gave us half a point instead of a full point. That means one of these was right and one of these was wrong. Now, if you have no idea which one it was, that is whenever you would need to go watch my video. And I'm going to go back to that week 7 page so that we can look at that. So we were right here. You entered in your answers. If you got something wrong and you want to know why, here's a video that explains how to do all 10 of those questions. Okay. There's no reason for you to watch the whole thing. If you got some of them right, just watch the ones that you have questions about. Now, task 3 is the one that you must complete this week after you watch those notes videos. You can take the quiz right here. There's not a paper copy that goes with this because the questions are randomized. Now, if you go to CM, the only thing that's different for you for this entire assignment is task number 3, okay? Task number 3, you're going to take this quiz instead of this quiz. Otherwise, everything is exactly the same.